Hey all, welcome to the MLB Dynasty League. This is the Yahoo page for our league. Right now we're going to start with a 2-round draft, drafting from the teams who are in the draft pool. Astros, Yankees, Padres, Braves, Mets, Dodgers, Nationals, A's, Royals, Tigers, Diamondbacks, Padres, Twins. We're going to be drafting from them with the teams we've taken, our user, in a non-snake 2-round draft. It's going to be the first step. And then come Monday, Yahoo is going to allow us to add these guys to our. So then we're going to log in. All 16 people will be in the league by Monday. We will add 2 guys we drafted in these 2 rounds to our teams. And then we will go and add all of the players for our respected franchise. So for my case, I would add all the Orioles I want. Now, people were asking what's the max. I set it at 35, but really it's whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever you want it to be. Because any Oriole that I want on my team, it's probably going to be tough for me to keep a lot of them anyways, because I'm going to end up drafting, needing those spots to fill draft spots. So let's call it a 35 max, but you're probably only going to need like 30, if that, because you're going to want to have room to draft guys. So let's go to the team setup. So as you can see, we have 10 starters on the offensive side, including 2 utility spots and all the normal positions. 5 starting pitchers, 4 relief pitchers, 2 pitchers. And there's also 5 injured spots 10 injured spots and 10 NA spots. There's a grand total of 45 slots here. Granted, 10 of them are injured and 10 of them are prospects. So if a team happens to have a lot of guys injured or whatever, this allows them to put them in the injured spot and still, use their 35 on other people just in case. And then let's go look at the league settings, scoring. At the league settings. Head-to-head points. We'll look at the points in a sec. Max of 5 acquisitions per week, 8 playoff teams. There's going to be 2 divisions. It'll be American League and National League. That is just for fun. It doesn't really affect anything. We have scoring and settings. Here's the scoring down here. Google. One on the app. And then people asked about relocating. So say, you picked, the Brewers and you're a Pirates fan you want to move to Pittsburgh. Totally fine. We do ask that you pick up players from that franchise and roster them just as a common courtesy. And it makes sense because if you're moving to Pittsburgh and you're a Pirates fan, you're going to want Pirates anyways. So we're not going to enforce that rule. But if you do relocate, just try to pick up some players from that team. So, when we look at the team, it looks cool. And on top of it, these players have families, and at least to let them be close to their families as much as possible is a good thing. So let me know if there's any other questions related to this. This should cover everything. The only other thing is the off-season protocol. The league kind of runs itself. This off season is a little different than how it's going to be, but next off season is how every off season is going to be, and that is that you get 22 keepers total every off season. That includes everyone on your roster come next off season, including the NAs, 22 total, and then we would draft from the remaining guys. So that's it. We are going to go ahead and start the spreadsheet draft and the season, and good luck.